Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will analyze our FEM result in a ParaView. We will save as our file with a compatible format of a ParaView, and then we will see how ParaView is a very useful tool to analyze the data in depth. So here I have FEM results, and I have opened that same FEM results in a ParaView. So you can see here the displacement graph with respect to our FEM result here. So we will see how we can save our FreeCAD FEM result, and we will do extra things in a ParaView. So let's start. So before starting, I have a Ko-Fi donations page which you can find here on my YouTube channel, and if you think my teaching are useful, if you want to appreciate my work, then please support. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and any money donated will be used to expand the channel. So if you are a regular visitor of my channel, then you may have seen this tutorial FEM analysis where I have validated my hand calculation result with a FEM analysis. So that is the same analysis I have open here in a FreeCAD, and now we will study our this FEM result in a ParaView. So first, what is the ParaView? ParaView is an open source multi-platform data analysis and visualization platform. ParaView users can quickly build visualizations to analyze their data. So in FEM result of FreeCAD, if you see our wrap vector here, where we can see our displacement. Yeah, so we will save as our FEM result and open in a ParaView. So let's see how we can do that. So before starting, you have to install the ParaView. You can easily go to the official website of a ParaView and you can install it. But the best things to install the ParaView is install the CFD-OF if you are interested in a CFD analysis in a FreeCAD. So once you install the CFD-OF workbench, then go to the edit preferences and click on CFD-OF. Then here you will get options to install the ParaView, and I would recommend to install this CFD-OF and install this OpenFOAM ParaView if you are really interested in a CFD analysis in FreeCAD. So that is your choice. Either you can install from here or you can install from the official website of ParaView from here. So once you click on under a download, you will get all the stable release of the ParaView. So let's head over to our tutorial. So this is my analysis result. So click on the analysis results and go to the file and then export, and save as is vtk file .vtk or .vtu from here, as I have already saved it here. So I will just revise my, I will say is R2 and I will save it. Now I will exit and I will fresh open my FEM result in ParaView. Here I have opened the ParaView. Now I will open my FEM results, which I have a save as .vtk file in FreeCAD. Now I will save my part open and I will click here on apply. So you can see that my FEM result is open here, but we are not seeing anything here. So go to the solid color here and click for the displacement. Then I will see my displacement here, which was same as like our FEM result in a FreeCAD. Now if we go here or here, at both the location we can choose. So I will prefer from here, so I will go for displacement and then I will go for major principal stresses. So I can see that where is the maximum principal stresses acting, minor principal stresses, strain XX component. So like this, that we can do so many things here in a ParaView. Now go to the filters and go for here alphabetical order. Then I can slice my part also. So if I select for the slice, then one slice will be created here, and you will get here a plane. So this I can change, either I want my slice in X, Y directions or in Z directions. So I will go for the Y direction and I will say apply, and for here I can go for the displacement. So you can see that my analysis result has been slide at displacement module, displacement of my part at Y, and I can delete it, and I can go for another slice, for example X normal, and I will say apply. So this is the slice with a X coordinate system here in X, and here I can change my module to the displacement, then I will get the displacement. If I change for the stresses, I will get for the stresses. So this is how you can slice the result, which we cannot do in a FreeCAD. So we have seen that it has a lots of potential here. If you did anything here, then just go and save here as a save state, then give your file the name. So whatever the things you will do here, it will be saved and you do not have to start from the scratch. I can go here for the scale factor here, and I can maximize my scale factor and I say apply. So you can see that the maximum displacement, then I will reduce my scale factor and then apply. So you can see that how parts is changing with respect to scale factor. Now we can also customize the color of our this displacement. So for that, click here on edit and go here, select the map color for the default preset. If I click on black body radiations, then it will change something to like this. So here you can customize your color. So here I will go for the displacement and I will change some color. So here you can do color customizations as per your need, but these colors are the basically defined as per the our analysis result. So we will go with cool and warm as a default, and I will close it. So this is the very good tool, as I have a find to analyze the data in depth, and you can do so many things. In fact, this is the first tutorials on ParaView. So once I create the more analysis tutorial, then I would explore this all the tools available in a ParaView. So this is a very small tutorial, and I hope you have liked this tutorial. If you like, then please like, subscribe and share my channel. And if you like my method of teaching, then you can support me. It's my Ko-Fi donation page is link given in the video descriptions. If you have any suggestion, then please give your valuable comment in the comment sections. I will come with more useful tutorial on a FreeCAD. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.